In the last video we saw how to find the volume of a prism, and from that we know that volume is base area into height. Now in this example we can decide what is the base area and then multiply it with the height. Let the height be, say, 3 centimeter, and I'm converting all of this unit into centimeter. So base area. Now a question might come in your head that, hey, if I have to find the area of this triangle and then I have to form a volume or find a volume out of it, which side should I take as base? Should I take 3 centimeter as base or should I take 4 centimeter as base? So my answer to that is it does not matter, and we'll try both the way. But it actually does not matter, because whatever you take as base, if this is the base, this becomes your height for the triangle, and if this is the base, this becomes the height of the triangle. So in reality we are multiplying both of them and just dividing it by 2. So base area here would be half times, say I'm taking 3 as the base and then multiplying it by 4. So base area is 1/2 times 3 times 4 and height is 3. So the answer would be 3 times 2 times 3, which is 18 centimeter cube. Now this is one way of doing. We also saw in the last example that a cuboid, which is rectangular in shape, when we divide it into half, we know that that's the area of the volume of the triangular prism. So in this case, this is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and height is again 3 centimeter. We can visualize that as a half chopped triangular prism of a rectangular prism. So volume of this cuboid would be 3 times 4, which is base area, times 3, which is 12 times 3, is 36 centimeter cube. So volume of the triangular part or the triangular prism would be half of 36, which is 18 centimeter cube. Either way the answer would be same. So you can either follow this way or the other way around. Now, chopping a cuboid into half works only if it is a parallelogram where you have a right angle. But if the triangle is not a right angle triangle, like in this below example, if you see here, although it looks like a right angle triangle at this vertex, but in reality that's not a right angle triangle, and a lot of questions will be tricky to show it as if this is a right angle triangle. Do not get confused by that unless and until they show you the symbol this. So in this case what we see is that they are showing a right angle here, which is a perpendicular drop from this vertex to the base. Now always remember, base is where the perpendicular, which is 90-degree, drops. Here it is 24 because this and this are parallel, so we can write 24 centimeter. So base area would be then half times 24 times 9. Now you would ask here, why do I see this and this information? This and this information is just to confuse. It has nothing to do with the final calculation. And then you have a height of 5 centimeter. So if I see here it is 12 times 9 times 5. Now I would not suggest you to do a normal multiplication. Do it 12 times 9 and then multiply it with 5. Whenever you see a number which ends with 5, always try to make it to the nearest 0. So I will write it 12 times 9 times 10 upon by 2, which is same as 5. Now 2 times 6 is 12, which gives me 9 times 6, which is 54 times 10, which is easily 540 centimeter cube. Hope this helps.